As you step into Namsangol Hanok village, you're transported back to the Joseon dynasty, a time when Seoul was a city of elegant hanoks, traditional Korean houses, and serene gardens. Nestled at the northern foot of Namsan Mountain, this village is a peaceful retreat from the bustling city, offering a glimpse into Korea's rich cultural heritage. Your journey begins at the entrance, where a traditional Korean gate welcomes you. As you walk through, the sight of meticulously restored hanoks catches your eye. Each house tells a story of its former inhabitants, ranging from high-ranking government officials to commoners. The interiors are furnished with period-appropriate decor, giving you a sense of how people lived centuries ago. You wander through the village, admiring the architectural beauty of the hanoks. The curved eaves and wooden beams are crafted with precision, reflecting the artistry of Korean carpenters. You pause at the house of Queen Yun's parents, marveling at the grandeur of the residence. The intricate details of the wooden lattice windows and the serene courtyard garden transport you to a bygone era. As you explore further, you come across a traditional Korean garden, complete with a flowing stream and a picturesque pavilion. The garden is a tranquil oasis, where you can sit and reflect while listening to the gentle sound of water. The lush greenery and blooming flowers create a serene atmosphere, perfect for a moment of relaxation. Your walk takes you to the village's cultural center, where you can participate in traditional Korean activities. You try your hand at archery, aiming for the target with a traditional bow. The experience is both challenging and exhilarating, giving you a taste of ancient Korean sports. Nearby, a group of visitors is enjoying a traditional Korean performance. The rhythmic beats of the drums and the graceful movements of the dancers captivating the audience. As the sun begins to set, the village takes on a magical ambiance. The hanoks are illuminated by soft lanterns, casting a warm glow over the cobblestone paths. You decide to end your visit with a stroll through the village, taking in the serene beauty of the surroundings. The peaceful atmosphere and the rich cultural heritage of Namsangol Hanok village leave a lasting impression on you. With a heart full of memories and a deeper appreciation for Korea's history, you make your way back to the entrance. Namsangol Hanok village has offered you a unique glimpse into the past, a journey through time that you will cherish forever.